Are you looking for a good way to childproof lock your doors or keep your doors fingerprint free? This is a great product. It's called the Door Monkey. Now, I'm going to show you how to use it, how to install it in both ways. There's 2 ways to install this, and also the pros and cons of what we think about it. We'll leave a link to the exact product in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you'd like to see future review videos for baby and toddler products, be sure to click the subscribe button below. Alright, so there's 2 ways to install the Door Monkey. It's really easy. You'll press this button right here and then place it anywhere on the door that you would like. So when you close it, it locks and leaves like a little opening right here, and you're not able to open the door. To unlock it from this side, you just press this little button and then it'll bring the clamp open, and I'll show you on this side as well. And then to unlock it, if you're on this side of the door, you just press this little lever. There's a second way to install it that a lot of reviews miss, which is reversing it. So if you flip it to the other side, it hits against this rubber pad right here. This gives you the option to have the door be pinch free, but also keeping it unlocked. So we got this Door Monkey because we wanted to keep our 20-month-old out of the bathroom. Our dog's water bowl is in here. So the pros, this is really easy to install. There's no assembly required. It keeps your door damage free. You don't have to put any adhesive or anything like that. Also, if you have a lever doorknob, this would be great to keep the door childproof. Another pro is that it's very portable. So if you want to take it when you go travel or on vacation, put it in your bag, easy to take it along with you. This can also be used for keeping pets out of a room that you're not wanting them to go into. Another pro is that I like the fact that you can flip it around and keep the door unlocked, but also it still remains a pinch-free door. I will say the only con with this product is that it fits only certain door frames. Check out the product link in our descriptions. There's certain measurements that need to be with your door frame in order for this product to work. We definitely recommend the Door Monkey to use for childproofing your doors. Baby or childproofing doesn't have to be overwhelming. To see our 10 favorite baby proofing products, check out our other video that's linked right now on the screen.